Have you ever made a slide and felt like something was missing? Let's give your slides the voice they deserve. In this video, I'll show you how to design your slides using PowerPoint built-in themes, colors, fonts, and so on, all in clean, simple way. Now I'm gonna show you this slide in 4 different themes. Themes and colors bring it all together, from efficient formatting and a professional look to clear messaging and visual consistency. They can completely change the vibe of your slides. What is really matter is what your story is. But how do we actually use them? Let's see step by step. First, apply built-in themes. Then, modify with variants. And then last one, create custom themes. Let's start with applying built-in themes. Move mouse to top ribbon and click on Design tab. In this tab, you can see a row of themes. I'm hovering each one to show you how it changes whole the slide. If you want to change some details of themes, you can use variants. For instance, if you want to change color, click on drop down, then color, and choose one of them. Even if you want to change fonts to match your style, you can choose the font from here again. Also, you can use variant to switch between light or dark background style from here. After all of this, if you are not happy with built-in themes, you can create your own unique themes that matches your style and needs. I'll start with a blank slide and then design my own background. In Design tab, Variant part, choose Background Style. Then Format Background. Now you can see this panel. In this panel, you can choose solid colors, gradient, and even pictures to fit your presentation mood. Here I'll show you how to use gradient to customize your slides. Click on Gradients, then choose the type you want, like linear, radial, or blah blah blah. Then adjust the direction or the angle. Next, click on each gradient stops and add or remove stops. Then pick the color you want for each stops. For example, for this one, I choose pink, and for the next one, I choose blue. How about pictures? If you want to use pictures for background, again in a background format panel, this time select Picture and Texture fill. Click the Insert button and choose from a file. Select your picture and click Insert. Now this is your background. Also, you can change the transparency of the picture. Next part is about fonts. In Variant again, choose Fonts, then choose Customize Font. Now add fonts. First for title, and next for body text. For example, I choose EXO and Poppins, then click Save button. The last part for themes is colors. Again in Variant, Colors, then Customize Colors. And now, here you can see list of color slots. Text background colors control the main text and background. Accent colors are used for shapes, charts, and etc. And hyperlink are for links. You can change the colors by clicking on each of them. Then you can change the name and save it. Now you can save all of your changes. In Design tab, click Drop button and save current themes. Choose the name of your theme, for example, Elegant. And now save it. As you can see, now your slide have a consistent and professional look. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more tips and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Like, share, and comment below if you have any ideas. See you in the next video. Bye!